Well, I'm here on the roof. We've gotten a tremendous amount of rain in the last 3 days here on our homestead. And the pitch on this roof is too flat. So we're getting water coming in the roof under the solar panels, which we're going to address today. Also, there's standing water on some of the panels themselves, which isn't good either. So I may end up adjusting the angle of these panels. In the winter, this angle isn't working all that great. The voltage is lower. But in the summer, they work great, almost flat, because the sun is high in the sky. But these are 12 285 watt LGs. It's not our main array, it's our secondary array. This roof, the pitch of this roof is about 4 degrees, 3.5 to 4 degrees. And it's too flat for shingles. And I'll show you why. There is standing water right there. And that will eventually find its way down through any nail holes, or it'll bypass the shingles eventually, which it's doing. Okay, so I just finished up. What I've done is I took the panels off, repaired the roof where it was leaking, and then I decided to, while I was at it, to change the angle of the panels so that the water would run off. It would shed water better. Plus, this time of the year, it would pick up sunlight better. So that's all done.